Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to Sony a7 Wednesday. On today's video, I want to teach you how to better center your photos and your videos. And it's really easy. I use this on all of my cameras, my a7 III and my ZV-E10. And I'll show you quickly in my a7 III screen. They're called grid lines. So this is what they look like. If you could see in there, you can see it looks like 3 sets of 3 squares in there. Bottom row, middle row, top row. So most cameras have this setting to set the grid lines up. The a7 III has 3 different types, and it's really easy to do. And I'll show you how to do it when I get to the computer. But like I said, there are 3 sets of grid lines, so when you're taking your pictures, you can line up a subject in the left third of the frame, the middle third, or the right third, or top, middle, and bottom third. And it's a lot easier than just taking a picture with your camera with no grid lines. I mean, technically you could do it, you could eyeball it, but this is a really good help. So let me get to my computer and I'll show you how to set up grid lines on your Sony a7 III. So let's go. Okay, we are once again back in the a7 III settings, and this is really simple. What you want to do, you want to go to the second tab, the purple camera icon with the 2, then you want to go to page 6 of 9. Then you want to go down to grid lines. And it gives you 3 options. You have rule of thirds, square grid, and diagonal plus square grid. I use rule of thirds. This is 3 boxes across and 3 boxes down, kind of like tic-tac-toe. Then square grid is 6 boxes across and 4 boxes down. So this gives you a total of 24 squares. And then diagonal plus square is 4 boxes across, 4 boxes down, gives you a total of 16 boxes, and then there's an X going through it. So it kind of gives you the dead center point. So these are the 3 grid line options you have. And again, I always use rule of thirds. And that's how you set up grid lines on your Sony a7 III. I hope this video was helpful to everybody, and I hope you get use out of this. It might not seem like it's a very important feature, but to me, when I figured out how to do it, it has been extremely important because I'm not really good at eyeballing where I want my subjects to be, and this really helps me out a lot. So if my subject is a person looking towards their left, I want them to be to the left of the screen, so most of the room is towards where they're looking. And it's perfect. I could set them up right at that left grid line. And the same if they're looking towards the right, or if I'm taking a picture of a landscape, and you want, say, the mountains in the top 2/3, and you just want, the foreground on the bottom third, or vice versa, it's really helpful. So again, I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments below. Ask me anything you want to. Let me know in the comments what videos you want to see. I'll be more than happy to record them and help you out. So again, thank you. Keep liking, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.